I'm Dr. Kunal Nigam, Head of Department for ENT, Cochlear Implant and Head and Neck Surgeries. We have a very interesting male patient from Iraq, 33 years old. He had a history of 10 to 11 years back. He had a gunshot injury in the chest and other neck injuries.
السلام عليكم، أنا اسمي علاء من العراق من بغداد. انضربت طلقة بال 2008 وعانيت من مشكلة، صار عندي تضيق بالقصبة الهوائية. جيت للهند بمدينة اسمها بونا، سويت تقريبا 8 عمليات ولا واحدة منهن نجحت، وقالوا لي إنه
قررت إنه أجيب علاء إلى مستشفى سنار وعرضه إلى دكتور كونال.
He came to know about Sanar International Hospital and he came to us. We devised a decisive treatment. We did a surgery in which the stent, which was in his trachea for a long time, more than 5 to 7 years.
فعلا جيت ودرس الحالة وسوى لي التحاليل اللازمة، وبعدها شال العمل، شال التيوب ورجع كل شيء طبيعي والحمد لله.
We even dilated his subglottic stenosis and now he is very healthy, speaking well and breathing the natural way through the nose and the mouth and speaking well. I would like to thank our anesthesia team headed by Dr. Savi Ahmed.
Dr. Kunal and our anesthesia department in coordination started this operation under MAC, that is Monitored Anesthesia Care. Very meticulous planning. First of all, this Montgomery tube, which was inside for 11 years, was taken out, and then we inserted a small bore flexometallic tube and anesthetized the patient. Now after a lot of struggle, this whole Montgomery tube was out and slowly, and the patient life was saved.
القصبة الهوائية البلاستيكية بنجاح رفعها، كانت عملية صعبة ولكن رفعته الحمد لله، وخلاله يعني وراها بالون مؤقت لفترة مؤقتة، وبعد أسبوعين تقريبا شال البالون وعلاه رجعت وضعيته طبيعية والحمد لله، والشكران على العمل اللي قام به، وعلى أخونا إن شاء الله، ونتمنى له الصحة والسلامة. تحياتي لكم.
The patient has been with us for follow-up for more than 1 month and now he's going home satisfied, and I'm also very happy with the outcomes of the results. Thank you very much.